I know my bike. Day 2. We woke up in Columbia, Missouri. You don't have to get so close.
Well, it's super to be right now.
Maybe I don't have my face on. Heading to Pikes Peak, Colorado. Not bad. We're running late, as usual. This can't happen the rest of the trip, honestly.
Right. I definitely wanted to get out of here like at least an hour ago.
Preferably. Had to figure out a few stops, which took a while.
Took a while. And it's been a while.
Well, it's supposed to even out, isn't it?
Yeah. You gotta pull these towards you.
These?
Yeah.
Towards me?
Yeah. You're trying to tighten it up, right?
Yeah. But that's what it did when I tightened it.
Oh, yeah.
I know my bike. She's thirsty. See that trigger control right there.
It's essential to fill your bike up to the max capacity every time.
Well, see, it starts coming down.
Yeah.
So that's weird. You get so much more gas mileage than I do, and I feel bad making you stop. You filling up?
Well, it's good that I stopped. 4.321. Not bad. Time to fill up this pig. Definitely a cool little town. That was a good spot, good pick. It's a nice church. I think we I think we lucked out with the weather today. I mean, it was definitely cold though. Like, once you once you put the jacket on, it felt fine. Like, it was like, oh, this is great.